struggling to fit everything into your space without it feeling crowded? These smart furniture pieces are designed to do more while taking up less, combining storage, flexibility, and modern design in one. From hidden beds to multi-use setups, they help you stay organized without sacrificing style. All product links are in the description below. Rest isn't always about long sleep. Sometimes it's about short, effective breaks. This energy pod is designed for quick power naps that help you recharge without wasting time. The ergonomic position supports your body, while the enclosed design gives you privacy and focus. It's perfect for offices or busy spaces where you need to reset quickly and get back to feeling sharp and productive. Entryways can get messy fast, but this mirror coat rack keeps everything in one place. It gives you hooks for jackets and accessories while doubling as a full-length mirror. You can check your look on the way out while keeping your space organized. It's a simple upgrade that combines storage and function without adding clutter to your home. A bedside table should add something to your room, not just fill space. This one stands out with a bold, geometric design that feels almost like decor on its own. The drawers give you practical storage, while the overall look adds personality. It's a small piece, but it makes your space feel more styled and intentional without trying too hard. Laundry usually takes multiple steps, but this AI laundry combo simplifies everything. It washes and dries your clothes in one machine, automatically adjusting settings for the best results. You don't have to move loads or guess cycles anymore. It's designed to save time, space, and effort, making one of the most repetitive chores feel much more manageable. A fridge is usually just an appliance, but this one becomes part of your space. The MoodUp Fridge lets you change the panel colors, adding light and personality to your kitchen. It also keeps everything perfectly organized and fresh with smart cooling features. It's not just about storage anymore, it's about turning something ordinary into something you actually notice. Kitchens usually have visible appliances everywhere, but this invisible induction system changes that. It sits hidden beneath your countertop, only appearing when you need it. You cook directly on the surface, then go right back to a clean, uninterrupted workspace. It's a sleek, modern solution that makes your kitchen feel minimal, organized, and far more advanced. Reaching the top shelf shouldn't feel like a struggle. This smart pull-down shelf brings everything down to you with a smooth motion, so nothing is out of reach. It makes better use of vertical space while keeping things accessible and organized. Whether it's kitchen items or storage, it removes the effort from everyday tasks and makes your setup feel more efficient. Storage doesn't have to stay static. This revolving bookcase spins smoothly, letting you access books and decor from every side. Its tall, compact design saves space while still giving you multiple levels to work with. More than just storage, it acts like a centerpiece that adds movement and style to your room. It's functional, but also something people will actually notice. When space is tight, but you still need sleeping options, this foldable bunk bed makes it work. It stays tucked away when not in use, then opens up into a full bunk setup when needed. Perfect for guests or shared rooms, it gives you extra sleeping space without permanently taking over your room. It's a smart solution that keeps things flexible without sacrificing comfort. Your sofa should feel like the center of your space. This electric sectional couch takes that further with adjustable seating that moves at the push of a button. You can recline, stretch out, or sit upright without effort. It combines comfort with a sleek, modern look, turning your living room into a place where relaxing feels effortless and fully customizable. A good chair supports you, but a great one makes you want to stay. This armchair combines a clean, modern design with comfortable seating that fits naturally into your space. It works as a statement piece without being overwhelming, giving you a spot to sit, read, or unwind. It's simple, functional, and exactly what a good everyday chair should be. Flat cabinet doors can make a space feel plain. These geometric cabinet panels completely change that by adding texture and depth to your surfaces. The bold design turns simple storage into something that actually stands out. It's an easy upgrade that makes your space feel more modern and intentional without replacing everything. Sometimes small changes make the biggest visual difference. Shoes can take over your space without you realizing it. This mirror shoe cabinet keeps them hidden while giving you a full-length mirror on the outside. It saves space, reduces clutter, and still adds something useful to your room. Everything stays organized behind closed doors, so your space looks clean while still being practical for everyday use. Nightstands shouldn't just hold your phone, they should power it too. This charging nightstand keeps everything organized while giving you built-in outlets and USB ports right beside your bed. You don't have to reach for cables or search for plugs anymore. The clean design keeps your space looking neat, while the functionality makes your daily routine smoother and more convenient. Beds take up the most space, so it makes sense for them to do more. This Murphy bed folds neatly into the wall, instantly freeing up your room during the day. But it doesn't stop there. With built-in storage and display features, it turns into a full, functional unit. It's perfect for making one room feel like two without sacrificing comfort or style. Space disappears quickly in smaller homes, but this retractable wall table gives it right back. Fold it down when you need a workspace or dining area, then tuck it away when you're done. The attached seating keeps everything in one place, making it feel complete without taking over the room. It's a smart way to turn an empty wall into something functional whenever you need it. Seating should move with you, not the other way around. This free motion sofa lets you adjust different sections independently, so everyone gets their perfect position. Whether you want to sit upright, recline, or stretch out, it adapts instantly. The design feels modern and premium while focusing on comfort first. It turns your living space into something flexible, where relaxing actually feels personalized instead of fixed. Clutter builds up fast when everything doesn't have a place. These stackable storage boxes let you organize your space vertically, making the most of every inch. You can arrange them however you like, creating a setup that fits your needs. The open design keeps everything easy to access while still looking neat. It's a simple way to bring order to your room without overcomplicating things. Comfort doesn't have to stay in one position. This convertible sofa shifts between seating and lounging with ease, letting you sit upright or stretch out when you want to relax. The soft cushioning keeps it comfortable, while the flexible design makes it perfect for small or casual spaces. It's the kind of piece that adapts to how you feel instead of forcing you to adjust. Small spaces don't have to limit how you live. This sofa bed gives you a comfortable place to sit during the day and quickly transforms into a full sleeping setup at night. The built-in storage keeps essentials tucked away, so your space stays clean and organized. Its sleek design fits modern interiors while staying practical. It's a simple way to make one piece of furniture do 3 different jobs effortlessly. A coffee table should do more than just sit there. This one brings a clean, modern look with a warm wood finish that instantly grounds your space. The wide surface gives you room for drinks, decor, or everyday essentials without feeling cluttered. Its low profile keeps everything balanced and open. It's the kind of piece that quietly ties your entire living room together without trying too hard. Convenience should always be within reach. This smart side table brings power right next to you with built-in outlets and USB ports, so your devices are always charged. The expandable surface gives you extra space when you need it, whether you're working or relaxing. Its compact design slides right beside your sofa or bed, making everyday tasks feel easier and more organized without adding bulk. Relaxation feels completely different when your chair does more for you. This massage chair supports your body with adjustable positions, while built-in features help ease tension after a long day. It's designed to give you a comfortable place to sit while adding that extra level of care your body actually notices. Whether you're watching something or just unwinding, it turns sitting down into something you look forward to. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.